Once we understand that this graph and this equation are two ways of saying the same function, and it's a machine that turns, for example, this function turns -3 into -4, this function turns -2 into -3, it turns -1 into 0, so on and so forth, we're trying to figure out which one of these guys is the inverse. So which one of these guys, if I plug in -4, gives me -3. If I plug in -3, it gives me -2. And I'm just asking you to plug it in and check. So basically, I'll start with the first one I see, which is this guy. And if I plug in that -4, does it spit out a -3? Does it turn -4 back into what it was beforehand? Grouping symbol first, that gives us the square root of 0, which is 0 minus 3 equals -3. That's pretty promising. This turned -4 back into -3. Will it also turn -3 back into -2? Plug it into here. -3 plus 4 minus 3 becomes, do the grouping symbol first, the square root of 1 minus 3 equals -2. And then just I asked for 3 points, we'll do one more. Is f of inverse of 0, will that spit back a -1? So we'll check that really fast. Square root of 4 minus 3. It does equal, oh wait a second, I just screwed something up. Oh no, I didn't. Square root of 4 is 2 minus 3. That does equal -1. So yeah, this function turned the -4 back to -3, the -3 back to -2, the 0 back to -1. If I really want to be awesome, I could plug in the 5 and say I get 0 back. But this guy definitely would be the inverse. There's no even, really, I don't even need to check that, this one over here.